Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Jeera rice in a rice cooker. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fragrant basmati rice, 2 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of ghee or cooking oil. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our ingredients for optimal results. Begin by rinsing your basmati rice under cold running water until the water is completely clear. This removes excess starch, ensuring fluffy grains. Next, soak the rinsed rice in fresh water for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the rice cook evenly. While the rice soaks, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil in a small pan and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, letting them sizzle until aromatic. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. First, carefully drain the soaked rice and transfer it into your rice cooker's inner pot. Then, add the fragrant, tempered cumin seeds directly into the pot with the rice. Pour in 2 cups of fresh water, ensuring the rice is adequately covered. Stir in a small pinch of salt, close the lid securely, and select the standard cook setting on your rice cooker. It will typically take about 20 to 25 minutes. After the rice cooker signals completion and switches to its warm setting, resist the urge to open it immediately. Allow the rice to rest undisturbed for about 10 minutes. This steam helps the grains firm up perfectly. Then, open the lid and gently fluff the aromatic Jeera rice with a fork, separating the grains. You can garnish it with some fresh chopped cilantro for extra color and flavor. Serve this fluffy, flavorful rice immediately with your favorite Indian dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.